Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft server are not reachable easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first, just type here device manager, and now all you need to do, just go to network adapters and update all of those here one by one, and then go to background apps and turn off the first option here, and now go to your files, go to this PC, then go to local disk C and go to Windows, scroll down until you find here system 32, and now scroll down again, and if you can't find a folder named etc, just type here etc and click enter. And here we'll find hosts, right click on it, cut it, go to backup, paste it here, just create a new folder on your desktop and name it backup, just for backup, and that's it. And now your problem must be fixed. I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.